What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with Gorgius Hair. Now, a lot of you guys may know this company from TikTok. Gorgius Hair is basically a viral TikTok brand. And today I will be installing quickly the 14-inch shaggy fringe wig. So this is just me unboxing the wig, but as you guys can see, this is like a super upgraded version of the TikTok viral wig. So the thing I love the most about this wig, while I'm showing you guys the inside construction, is that it basically can be styled as anything. You can wear it just as a wig without having to lay any lace or anything like that. A half puff, a high bun, a headband wig, whatever you want, it's really up to you. So the hair comes pre-styled basically, so you can style it straight out of the box, out of the bag, or you can decide to actually define the curls on your own. So obviously you guys see that this wig does not require any type of baby hairs, lace laying, or anything like that. All you have to do is add products, and that's if you want to. So it's literally a 3-step shake and wear wig. So here I'm just kind of going in with my pick and picking the hair just to show you guys how you can style it straight out of the box. Next I'm going to show you guys how to actually style the curls and basically refresh them for when you have the wig in the bag for a little bit and you want to wear it to the store or something. So as far as styling out the box goes, it's pretty much easy. I pretty much just use my hands to kind of fluff the hair up a little bit. As you guys can see, the curls are not as defined, but like I said, you have 2 ways to actually style. So I'm going in with my water, basically like using my fingers to kind of like find the curls a little bit. So once I'm done using my fingers, I go in with my brush and kind of just like define the curls like a little bit more, and then I went ahead and added a little bit of leave-in cream, and I pretty much just scrunched that through the entire wig after I finished defining it. Once you add your conditioner, mousse, whatever your product of choice is, you can let the hair air dry for like once it gets to like 70%, you're pretty much good, and you can go through and scrunch. You can scrunch without any type of air or heat, but I used a diffuser. Well, I used my hands at first, and then I went in with a diffuser. Don't come for me because my diffuser does not fit my current blow dryer. But before that, I did go ahead and finger coil the front a little bit because I wanted it to be a little bit more defined than everything else. And altogether, this hair just came out pretty bomb. Like, I'm really interested to see how Gorgius Hair's actual like frontal wigs and stuff like that is, because this wig is basically like the perfect soft look. It's very lightweight, wasn't heavy, and then it's super secure. Like if somebody was to try to pull my wig off, it literally would not come off because the band and everything was keeping the wig super secure. So that is one of my favorite things. If you decide to pull it back into a ponytail or whatever, you can always just pull out a little bit of your edges and put like a scarf around it. But it's pretty much an on-the-go wig, perfect for any type of occasion, whether you're being dressed up with your makeup done or just chilling and going to the store. So make sure you guys check out Gorgius Hair. I'm gonna link all their links and everything in the description box. This hairstyle literally took me about 20 minutes at max, and that's just waiting for the hair to dry. But overall, it dried very beautifully and it's super bomb. So make sure you guys shop the link in my bio. Love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.